When we're naming an ionic formula that involves an atypical cation, here's the procedure you're going to undergo. The example here is nickel chloride, and specifically we know it's going to be nickel 2 chloride. So when I'm going through the process of naming this bond, I would first look at my cation, Ni, and I would identify it on the periodic table. I can see that nickel is in the section, the transition metal D block section, that typically requires a Roman numeral in the name. So to identify what Roman numeral I'm going to use, I need to uncrisscross my charges. So the 2 that's on the outside of chlorine must have come from nickel being 2 plus. That's how I'm going to know that my nickel needs to have the Roman numeral 2, and then chlorine just changes its name to chloride because it's in a bond. So once again, what I need to do is identify that my element needs a Roman numeral by looking at where it is in the periodic table. Let's remember that column 1, column 2, and column 3A all do not need Roman numerals. The ones that need Roman numerals fall in the D block or the transition metal section, as well as tin and lead. So because nickel falls in this transition metal section, I know I'm going to need Roman numerals in the name. To identify what Roman numeral I'm going to use, I need to uncrisscross my charges. And because this 2 is on the outside of chlorine, it must have come from nickel having a 2 plus charge. Lastly, just change your ending of your anion to "ide."